At number 1, we have the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. This premium kit effectively erases light scratches, swirl marks from washing, and minor imperfections on any paint type. Application is straightforward: spray, buff, and wipe to restore gloss and shine, making your car look freshly detailed. See the fantastic results for yourself. It delivers impressive results for DIY enthusiasts looking to maintain their car's appearance with minimal effort. While it excels on minor defects and newer vehicles, deeper scratches may require multiple applications. Priced affordably, it includes the main compound, a microfiber towel, and a foam applicator pad. Get the complete kit for a flawless finish.
At number 2, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. This pro-grade compound effortlessly removes swirls, scratches, oxidation, and other defects. It restores brilliant shine and color clarity, outperforming traditional rubbing compounds, and the results speak for themselves. The best part? It's incredibly versatile. Apply it by hand or with a polisher for fast results. Plus, it's completely safe for clear coats and glossy paints. With a 4.4-star rating from over 9,000 users and a budget-friendly price of just $13.14, it's the perfect choice for DIY users seeking fast, noticeable improvements. Your car will thank you.
At number 3, we have the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. This versatile, user-friendly solution effectively repairs swirls, light scratches, and restores deep gloss to your vehicle's paint. See the real results. It brings back the original brilliance without heavy elbow grease, making it a top choice for straightforward detailing. The kit includes a buffer pad for easy application, and it's safe for all paint types. With a massive number of reviews and high monthly sales, it's a popular choice for all car owners. Remember, it's not a miracle fix. Some users mention needing patience and multiple applications for best results. Get excellent value at around $21.22. Carfidant is the smart choice for your car's care.
At number 4, we have the Meguiar's Professional Swirl Remover 2.0. It's specially formulated to remove fine scratches and swirl marks while delivering a dark, dramatic shine. It's body shop safe and works flawlessly with hand or machine application. A reliable, professional-backed option for that perfect high-end finish.
At number 5, we have the Griot's Garage Complete Compound. This high-performance compound tackles scratches, swirl marks, and water spots on any automotive paint finish. It's incredibly versatile, delivering professional results whether applied by hand or with a polisher. Thanks to its fast wiping properties, you'll save time while achieving a beautiful, mirror-like finish. With a 4.6-star rating from thousands of reviews, it's the go-to solution for excellent results on standard wear and tear. Griot's Garage Complete Compound. Professional results made easy.